Advay Agarwal, and today I am going to make an interesting project of this interesting tool game called Snap Circuits. So this game, the circuit's name is lamp and fan in series. So for this circuit, the components and tools are a motor, a lamp, a slide switch, a fan, two connectors, the second most smallest connectors in this, four two connectors, and a battery, any battery you have, and also this base. So I am going to put this base here, and what will I do? First I will connect this battery. The battery gives more power to the circuit, and it has got a positive and a negative. This is the 3-volt battery. I am going to put it here. Make sure it's connected properly. Now what I will do, I will take these two connectors. I will put one here in the down one. The two connectors are the second most smallest connectors you have in the box of the snap circuit. So then I will have another two connector, putting it here. With the help of this two connector, I will put it here. Then I have this light switch. I am going to put it here. It has got a off and on, no positive and negative. I am going to put the two connector here, and last of furnace, and the second last of furnace is the lamp. Putting it here. And a fan obviously top on the blade of the motor. Now what I will do, I will try to see what will happen. Just owning. You can see the lamp is glowing also, and the fan is also spinning. And so now I will turn it off and try to remove the fan. And now let us see. Wait. Now you can see the lamp is not glowing, and the fan and the motor is so spinning on this high speed. We can't see it. And that is because when we put it, the fan on the top of the motor, it was and the lamp was glowing. That's because when we put the fan on the motor, you did see that the lamp was glowing and the fan was spinning. That's because when the voltage of the battery was in the lamp and in the motor, the fan was reducing the speed of the motor, and that's why the lamp was glowing. The lamp was using more and more voltage than the motor. And when the fan was removed, you did see the lamp was not glowing and the motor taking all the voltage. That's when the battery was connected to these wires. It was connected to the motor, and the motor had the full voltage and no with fan. Not. The lamp was glowing. I'll show you again. Lamp is glowing. Remove fan. Now lamp is not glowing. So please like and subscribe to my channel to see more